To purchase Bitcoin on Moomoo, first ensure the app is updated to the latest version. Then, navigate to the cryptocurrency page and select any cryptocurrency, such as BTC. Click on the Trade button. Select the desired cryptocurrency, and then click Next. You will then need to click Start Now and provide documentation to verify your account. Once your account is verified, transfer funds by going to the Accounts tab, selecting Transfer, and then Cash Transfer. Specify your preferred currency, such as USDT. Next, go to the Trade options. Select BTC, and click on the Trade button. Choose the cryptocurrency you selected earlier. A new page will open, where you will select Buy and enter the amount you want to purchase. After clicking the Buy button, your Bitcoin will be purchased on Moomoo.